Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We're looking at Google Docs and we want to make Google Docs dark mode. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's jump straight in. We're going to go over to our right-hand side. We're going to hit our three dots, which will give us our menu. And we're going to navigate down to extensions. And in this extensions tab, the additional menu here is visit Chrome Web Store. We're going to tap on that. Now, once you visit your Chrome Web Store, you will be able to search for an attachment that will allow your Google Docs to become a dark mode. So over here, we're going to use the search bar on the top right hand side, and we're going to go ahead and go Google Docs dark mode, and you can now hit enter. As you can see, there are a few options. However, we want to use the very top one. It says dark mode Google Docs, and we are going to click on that. Now, once you click on that, it will prompt you to install the dark mode Google Docs. On the right hand side, you can see it says add to Chrome. We're going to tap on that, and now we're going to tap on add extension. So right from here, after a few seconds, this extension will be added. We're going to go over now, and to check that it's been added, you can go up to the top of your toolbar. There's an extensions shortcut. You can tap on that, and over here you can see all of your extensions. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new tab. We can see now that it's been added, and we're going to go over onto the right hand side, and we're going to tap the apps menu button. Now, once in the apps button, we're going to go ahead and look for Google Docs. Alternatively, you can use docs.google.com, and as you can see very clearly, this is now in dark mode. So if you're maybe using the Google Docs app in a dark space or at night with the lights off, this will now help you to perform a little bit better. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers.